Welcome. Hello, we are back. It is part 4, the final episode in this series. It's not really a series, build series? Yeah, build series, whatever we call it. So this video is going to be all about the assembly and finessing and the photography and the bagging of the instrument and then sending it off. So it's all very exciting. I've got to get the guitar built, put together this week. So it's Saturday at the moment, and I need to get this shipped out ready on Friday. The body and neck have all dried and set with the oil, so everything just needs to now be put in. So come not this Monday, but the following Monday, so I think I've got less than 10 days, me and my wife are going away for a little while to a wedding, so I've got to get this all done as well as a few other jobs, so the timing is really critical on that. And to add fuel to the fire, tomorrow we're going to a cat shelter to see 2 little young boys, and hopefully that all goes well, and so we're very excited for that. And those 2 will probably be in many videos in futures to come. Later on in the video, I'll probably report back of how that went. But yeah, let's get cracking on with the assembly. So we're here. So it's come back from wiring and it all looks really nice and tidy. Thank you, Paul from Sound Unlimited. So what I need to do now is get the neck on, bridge in, and then do a final sort of setup, hone it in, put all the little accessories. So thank you, Granger. I only use Granger guitar parts for my guitars just because I would normally get a strap pin, however the customer has asked for a Schaller S-Lock. So yeah, now it's just the final assembly and then it will be the photography. Speedy uppy time lapse and listening to a little bit of royalty-free music. Ignore all of the mess. It's now going to go into its bag. I'm going to head off to Sound Unlimited, my local guitar shop where some of my guitars are on display, and I'm going to take some really nice photos of that for the client and also for the website and the gram and all those sort of shenanigans. Without further ado, let's head out to there. So it's all complete. The guitar has been photographed, edited, and it's now been wrapped up. It's going to be picked up by the courier tomorrow and then off to its new owner, of which I'm very confident they're going to love it. I have already shared the photos with them, and they seem pretty excited. So then the next stage is for them to play it, and I can't wait for that. What I have noticed is that a lot of you watching my videos are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button because then you'll be notified once in a blue moon when I do actually upload a video. For me, at least, the likes and subscribes directly relates to how I feel the following day. So hit that subscribe button to help massage my ego. Got the next build series lined up, which is brilliant. It's going to be a very cool build with a few little nuances, which is quite nice. But I've got to go on my trip. The cats. The cats were amazing. We've reserved them, but we got to go to our trip away, and then we're collecting them the next day. So they will be featuring in upcoming videos. But till then, thank you for watching and goodbye. Oh my.
Kiss! Kiss!
Oh my god.
He's loving it, isn't he?